Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Enewerome and Content Queen. If this is your first time on my channel, hi, it is so nice to meet you. I hope you love my videos enough to subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for the support all this while. Thank you for helping me grow and for encouraging me on this YouTube journey. So today's video is a really simple one. I have already recorded two Telegram tutorial videos. Now the first one I recorded was teaching you how you can share your screen when you're in a live training, or how you can use Telegram to go live and teach your students, carry out presentations on Telegram, and at the same time record your live training. Right, I have already taught that and it's in my video, so you want to check that out. It's in my playlist, you want to check that out. Now the second video I recorded on Telegram was teaching you how to host your online courses on Telegram without people being able to download, copy, or forward to other people. So say for instance you're a trainer and you have hosted an online course and you want to use Telegram for your online course, right? And you don't want people to share your material because it is a paid class. Maybe it's an audio file or your ebook or a video. You don't want people to share it. You can use Telegram, teach people the class you have for them, but at the same time restrict them from sharing to other people. I have also covered all that in my previous video, so you want to check out those two videos. Today's video, I'll be teaching you and covering all the other things I didn't cover in those two videos, which is how to open your Telegram account from the beginning down to deleting your Telegram account if you no longer have use for it. Yes, you can delete your Telegram account, and I'll be showing you how to do just that in this video, so stay tuned. So the first thing you need to know about using Telegram app is that you must download the app. Now you can find Telegram on your Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Just search for Telegram, get the app, download it, install it, and then the next step would be to sign up or register. So you'd fix in the name you want to use, and then you'd put in your profile picture, your phone number. Now before even getting to the profile picture part, you have to fix in your phone number using your country code, and then you would be asked if you want to do two-factor authentication. So two-factor authentication is very important. It's like an extra layer of security for you, just in case someone tries to hack into your Telegram account. You'll be notified that someone is trying to do something, like, is this you? And then you confirm if it is you or not. So it is always important to do two-factor authentication. So I'm just going to show you what my Telegram account looks like. This is an already registered account, it's already signed and everything. So I'll just click on edit here, and then you would see this part is for your first name, and then this part is for your last name, right? So personally, I like to use the name I want people to know me by, like what my brand stands for. I just don't want to fix in my name like that. So you have to be really smart about that. Then for profile picture or video, you can use anyone. You can decide to use a picture, or you can decide to use a video. For me, I used a video of a book that I published for one of my clients. I helped her publish her book on Amazon, and I got the book printed for her. So I used the video, like explaining what the book is about. And then you'll be given a bio, right? So that bio is just like a short description of yourself or what you do. You want to maximize that properly. And then you'd have your username. So my username is at Enewerome and Content-Queen, which is like my YouTube name, right? And Enewerome is my middle name, and I have used that name across all my social media platforms. So there is no social media platform you would find me that you will not see Enewerome. So I had to make a smart choice. And then you see here, add another account. So it's just your choice to add another account if you like. So I'll just cancel this because I obviously want to keep all my settings the same. Now you would see here there are so many features here: Telegram FAQ, Telegram features. You can just explore all these things because it's really helpful, and I'll just run through all these things one after the other. In one of my videos, I explained how you can record your training, how you can share your screen and record a particular training you have. So if you are a trainer or course creator and you have a live class, you can do that using Telegram. Like, you can go live using Telegram, like live video, as well as live audio. And then if you choose to save that recording, it will go to your saved messages folder, which is what you can see here. So these are sample recordings I already had with my students. Okay, so you can see all of them here. They are saved here. That's what your saved messages part is from. So you want to check out that video in the card above, how to use Telegram to like go live with Telegram, record your online courses and all that. You just want to check all the Telegram related videos I have on my channel. They will be really helpful to you. And then you have recent calls, people who have called you, chat folders. If you have chat folders, I actually don't have any chat folder. And then privacy and security, which is really important. You can block people if you like, if there are certain people who have been spamming you or whatever, you can block them. My data is switched off right now, so I'm going to turn it on so you can see some of these things. You can see my two-step verification. I called it two-factor authentication. That's another name for it. Everything is set here, so you want to make sure you set your own. And then for privacy, I fixed it that nobody can see my number, right? That's how I want it to be. Like I like to hide my number. And then who can find you by your number, your contact, or everybody. Always share things with guys. You can add users or entire groups as exceptions that will override the settings above, so anybody can maybe add you or whatever you want. And then your last seen or your last online, who do you want to see, your profile picture, who can call you, who can forward messages to you, who can add you to Telegram groups and channels. And then automatically delete your account if you are away for however long you want. And then your data settings, do you want to sync contact, do you want to suggest frequent contacts? Just check all of these things and that is it. So the next thing I will show you is how to open a Telegram group, right? So a Telegram group is different from a Telegram channel. A Telegram group, you can have up to 200,000 people in a Telegram group, which is one of the features that makes it way better than WhatsApp. So like you can have up to 200,000 people, and a group is more interactive than a channel. A channel is just like a broadcast list, like when you have people who are subscribed to you. So it's like a mini email marketing system sort of, but like with Telegram. If you have a group, people can interact with you, but if you have a channel, people cannot interact with you unless you create a group and connect that group to your channel. So I'm just going to show you that. Let me use one of my groups here. So this is one of my groups, right? And then I'm the only person here because I use this group for all the things I want to do. Now you would see this is a video. Yeah, this is my YouTube intro video. If you click on edit, this is where you get to see every single thing. Now you set your group name, you put the description, what type of group do you want. I've already explained all these things in my video, so you want to check that video up there. I won't be able to repeat all these things to avoid the video getting too long. All this restrict saving content, I explained every single thing there, so you want to check out those videos. But there's something that got cut out of the last video and I want to show you guys how to do it. So in that particular video, I was explaining how to use polls, how you can use polls and quizzes to make your Telegram group really interactive, and for some reason that part did not show in the video, so I'm going to show you now. Now when you click on this button here, you would see gallery, you will see files, you will see location, poll and contact, right? So we'll choose poll. Now when you have a poll, you can ask a question and then you put your poll option, so you can add up to 8 options, and then you can choose if you want the voting to be anonymous, if you want multiple answers, or if you want to do a quiz. Now with a quiz, you would be the one to pick the correct answer, and then anybody who picks a wrong answer, there should be an explanation here for why that answer is wrong. Okay, so this is why I really like Telegram. You can conduct this poll, and say for instance you just opened a new group and you don't know how many times you should post in a week or how many times you should post in a day. Running a poll is a really good way to get that information. Also, if you are running a contest, maybe a competition or whatever, because I've used it before for one of my businesses called Bookney. We had an award ceremony, so people who were nominated, we put their names and the category they were nominated for, and so it was like who do you want to win Bookney's author of the year, right? That's the question. So who is Bookney's author of the year, for instance? And then we have the polls to be the people's names. So we listed all the names, and then people just came and voted. And to see how amazing it is, every single vote was transparent. Like when you vote for someone, you can actually see how many people have voted for that person and how many people have voted for other people. So there is no rigging with using a Telegram poll to vote or to do any of those things. So you can actually use it for so many reasons, to conduct competitions and all that, and then to get insight into what your group members want, and as well as creating quiz. So we are done with that, and then I'll just go right into teaching you how to create a Telegram group. So you click on this button up here, and then you will see new group. So you click on new group, and then you must choose somebody you want to be in the group. You pick the person, and then you go straight to the settings. So I'll just go back to that particular group, and then this is one of the settings. So you see edit group type private. Now with a private group, nobody can if anybody searches for your group using Telegram, they will not find the name of your group. But if it is public, anybody who searches for it can find your group and they can join. But with a private group, you have to send them the invite link. Now this is an invite link you can share. You just click on share link, and then it will ask you who you want to share to, or you can copy the link, or you tap on this 3 dots there, or get the QR code to your link. So in case you want to add the QR code to maybe a printed material, like a physical, maybe a book or a card or whatever, anything physical, you can just add it there. And then you can manage invite links. Now with managing invite links, you can create more links to use, especially if you are using Telegram to host your online course. So like I said, I have already explained it in depth in my video in the card there, so just check it out. I will not be able to explain everything, but with this create additional links, you can do anything you want to do. Like you can create as many links as possible and share with people. So now that we've covered this part, let's get to the next stage. All right, so we are back to this group, and I'm going to show you how to I've already shown you how to get the link to a group, and I'm going to show you how to leave a group. So let's assume this is the group you're in. You click on edit. This is how to delete the group, right? And then when you go to members, these are the members you have here. Okay, so let me go to another group. This is a group I'm the admin of, so I can't leave this one. Let me click on this one. So let's say I want to leave this group now. All I need to do is to click on this button here that says leave, and then I'll just leave the group. That's how to leave a Telegram group. Another function that is really helpful with Telegram is you can pin messages. So if you want anyone who comes to your group to see a particular message first, you can just pin it. So say for instance, I say, hi guys, welcome to this group, and I send it. I'll just tap on it, and then you will see pin. Now I can choose to pin and notify all members, or I can choose to just pin. So it's always good to pin and notify. So I've pinned and notified people. Now if you want to do a video chat, let's say for instance you want to go live, you just tap the name of your group, click on video chat, and then it will ask you what do you want to display yourself as. Do you want to display yourself as your name and your first name and surname, or do you want to display yourself as the name of your group? So I'll choose as the name of my group, right? And then you see start video chat. So if you start a video chat, all you need to do is just to turn on this video. If you don't turn on the video, what you are doing in essence is an audio chat, and anybody who is online can just join in. Now if you tap these 3 buttons here, there are so many options for you. So you can edit the video chat title. Currently you would see audio because obviously my video is not turned on, and then edit permission. So do you want new participants who just join in to start speaking, or they should all be muted? Now you'd also see share screen. This is what I covered in my video up here, which you want to check how to share screen. And then when you share your screen, it would save both the audio and both the video, and go straight to your saved messages. If you remember in the beginning when I showed you saved messages, so it will just go there and stay, and you can download it to your phone or to your device or whatever. And then when you see start recording, it will ask you, how do you want to record, portrait or landscape? I always advise people to use landscape because it's wider, right? And then to ask you, do you want to record only the audio or video and audio? So it depends on what you're doing. If you are presenting slides or your face, you want to record both video and audio. Now another thing with Telegram is Telegram also has a software, right? Just as you can connect your WhatsApp in your phone to like WhatsApp on a desktop or laptop, you can do the same with Telegram under devices, right? So I already have 2 devices here. This is my desktop and this is my iPhone. So it will just show you as many devices as are connected to the particular WhatsApp you have. So once you want to link your Telegram on your phone to your laptop, just click on this and then to ask you to scan. So you go to getdesktop.telegram.org or web.telegram.org, click on it and scan or sign up or do whatever they ask you to do, and that's it. So there is also something else. Like I've seen people ask how they can delete their Telegram account. It's a very weird question, right? Now, apart from the fact that Telegram automatically deletes or deactivates your account after 6 months, which is the default setting. So for me, I changed my own from 6 months to 1 year. So if I'm inactive for 1 year, they can delete my account. But if you've not changed that setting and you are inactive on Telegram for 6 months, your account will be automatically deleted. But what if you want to delete your account automatically, like by yourself, rather you don't want to wait until 6 months? Now there's a link in the description box. Just click on it and as they said, use maybe a desktop or a non-mobile browser to access that link. Now once you click on that link, they would ask you for the phone number you used to register your Telegram. Now you would also put in your country code and then you click next. Telegram would send you a code through Telegram. They won't send you as SMS, they'll send you through Telegram app. So I haven't tried to delete my account, so I don't really know what the next step is, but I'm guessing that after they send you the code, you would have to fix in the code and then your account will be totally terminated. Now one thing you should know about deleting your account is, once you delete your account, every single chat, every single group, every single channel you have created before will no longer exist. They will not cease to exist. However, if you have a group and there are other admins in that particular group, it does not stop the group from going on. Like the group can still move on, can still function. Okay, so the fact that you have deactivated your account does not mean that those groups would also, or those channels will also just like go extinct. It will only go extinct if you don't have other admins helping you to control your account. So like I said, I have videos that have explained the whole setting up your group, setting up your channel process, choosing your admins. I have videos that have explained all those things. But the only thing is, if you want to deactivate your account, before you deactivate your account, make sure you have assigned admins and giving them permission to run your account even without you. Otherwise, once you deactivate your account and there are no admins, you can no longer access those old groups anymore. That's basically all about Telegram. I think I've covered everything. If there's anything I've not covered, you can ask me in the comments and I'm going to answer your questions. So if you are still watching this video up to now, it means that you enjoy my video or you like this particular video. So please do well to subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends and people who you know will need Telegram, because Telegram is just more than an app. It is a very useful tool, especially if you're a course creator or a trainer, right? So please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for supporting me all this while. Until my next video, bye. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe to my channel.